In this video, we're going to use the quotient rule to simplify square roots. It says simplify, assuming that x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. They're doing that because of the denominator, so we can kind of ignore that. But you have a square root on top of this, or in the numerator for this fraction, and you have a square root in the denominator for the fraction. We're actually going to just combine those two square roots together so we can simplify. So we're going to write that as 1 square root with a fraction on the inside. And that would be 112, x to the 32nd, y to the 25th, and then 7, x to the 6th, y cubed. So we just combined the two square roots together. And then we're going to simplify the x's and the y's. And 112 divided by 7 comes out to be 16. So we end up with root 16. This will be x to the, when I subtract these, 32 minus 6 would be 26. Y to the 22. And then I'm going to start breaking down root of 16. So root of 16 is actually root 4 times root 4. So I have root 4 times root 4. X to the 26th. Well, I can basically divide x to the 26th by 2 because we know that x squared is a perfect square. So x squared goes into x to the 26th 13 times. So I can write this as x to the 13th. And then y to the 22nd, we would know that y squared goes into that 11 times. So I can say that this is y to the 11th when I simplify those pieces. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So I have 2 times 2 times x to the 13th times y to the 11th. 2 times 2 is 4. X to the 13th, y to the 11th.